Most people wait until January to start planning, but truth is, everything you want next year is decided right now. It's not about resolutions, it's about setting the AI systems that will make your goals inevitable in 2026. By the end of this video, you'll have the 5-part AI framework that'll help you accomplish everything you want. By the way, I'm Evan. I study how top performers use AI and systems to stay ahead. And if you've ever set a goal in January only to give up by March, this is the system that finally fixes that for good. Phase number 1, audit your year with AI. You can't plan for the future if you don't know what happened in the past. Most people are gonna skip this step. They look forward to what they want to accomplish without ever figuring out what worked and what didn't. AI fixes that by turning your past year into real data. So I'm gonna give you the exact ChatGPT prompt to make this happen. Analyze my 2025 calendar, journal, task list, whatever you have that you tracked through the past year. If you didn't track, go ahead and just list out your top accomplishments. Then you're gonna ask Chat to identify where your top output came from, where you overcommitted, and what you could potentially do to optimize even further. Then ask it to identify your top 3 strengths, your top 3 weaknesses, and your biggest time wasters. 30 seconds later, you're gonna have a complete audit on your year. You're gonna be given a legit year map just from your past data. It's a complete picture of how you operated this past year, what you did well, what you need to work on, and where you're wasting your time. When I ran mine, I learned that over 80% of my greatest work came before 1 p.m. So I knew I needed to further optimize my afternoons to make my entire day more productive. I was wasting hours context switching, so starting on YouTube and then going to schoolwork and then going to the gym, rather than just staying focused. That single insight has allowed me to design my next year around my actual strengths, not what I previously believed I was good at. That's how you close the gap between who you think you are and what you actually want to accomplish, thus making your goals way easier to achieve next year. Effectively, you're making AI become your mirror, the one that can't lie. Now, once you've identified your patterns, the next step isn't setting goals. It's identifying the person you need to become to actually achieve them. Phase 2 is building your 2026 identity map. I'll be honest with you. Most people fail their goals because they focus on outcomes, not identity. They want to achieve 1,000 subscribers. They don't want to become a YouTuber. You want to become more fit, make more money, or start creating consistently. But the truth is, none of those are actually systems. Now you're going to use AI to translate those vague ambitions into identity-based behaviors. So again, here's the exact prompt you're going to use. Based on these goals, then you're going to just go forward and list them out. What type of person would I need to become to actually achieve them? What does their average day look like? What type of skills, routines, and habits define this winner? Give me a 1-page summary titled My 2026 Operating Identity. This is where the real leverage is actually going to begin. You're not just setting goals like everyone else does. You're designing yourself to become the type of person that achieves them consistently. James Clear talks about this in Atomic Habits. The key to lasting change is not focusing on outcomes, but focusing on your identity. He writes, every action you take is a vote for the person you want to eventually become. If you want to run a marathon, you don't focus on the finish line. You focus on becoming the type of person that never skips a run. If you want to grow your career or grow your business, don't just aim for a specific title. Become the kind of person who solves challenging problems routinely. That's what your AI identity map does. It hard codes your goals around the actual actions that are going to make you become that kind of person. I need you to save that operating identity. It literally becomes your own personal compass. Every action along that path is going to lead you closer to the person who achieves what you dream of. Now that you've defined your future thinking, it's time to teach your AI who that person is. So every decision it can make can think and act like you want to be. But before I get into that, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Okay, phase 3 is creating your master prompt. This is your online digital twin. Because you already taught the AI where you want to head, it's time you teach it to remember who you want to become. This is where 99% of people go wrong when they use ChatGPT or any other AIs. They treat it like a stranger every time they speak to it. A master prompt fixes that. It's one thing that'll clearly state your identity to the AI every single time. Your goals, your habits, your ambitions, everything captured in one prompt. But don't worry, you're not going to have to go through and write out every single thing you want to do. You can actually generate it using AI. I want you to create a master prompt for me. Ask me 10 questions about my communication style, my goals, and my current habits. Using that information, write one reusable master prompt that I can constantly send back to you. It needs to represent me as a person so I can use it in all of our future chats. Now, instead of generating random results, you transform your AI to become your own personal teammate. Every plan, every workflow, every goal is built exactly around who you are, adapted for your life. This is what it means to use AI most effectively to plan out 2026. You're not collecting a bunch of fancy tools, you're training one system to think for you. With AI calibrated to your identity, it's time we transform these identity-based outcomes into actual goals and measurable results. So that's phase number 4, forecasting with AI to turn your vision into actual milestones. Once AI knows who you are and what you want, it's time to make your goals measurable and time-bound. This is where you're going to get ahead of everyone else. You're not just relying on inspiration, you're breaking it up into actionable steps. So you're going to talk to ChatGPT or whatever AI you're using and ask it to reverse engineer your top 3 2026 goals. For each one, break it up into quarterly milestones I can hit every 3 months. Then list the habits, projects, and checklists that will actually get me there on time. In seconds, you have a literal roadmap, a clear progression point of where you need to be in March, June, September, and even December. If you just stick to the roadmap and stick to the habits given to you, you're bound to succeed in 2026. Then you take that plan and feed it into all of your favorite tools. Maybe you use Reclaim for planning out your daily activities. You use Notion for your scheduling. Whatever you use, you can feed this direct calendar into there. This turns your vision into something actually logical, so you can grasp on to these milestones and achieve them in a timely manner. The result isn't a plan that just looks inspiring. It actually runs itself, so you can focus on achieving your goals instead. But even the best roadmap doesn't matter if you're unable to adapt. That's why the final step is building feedback that is given to you automatically. No motivation is going to be necessary. Phase 5, automate your feedback loop so you can instantly know whether or not you're heading in the right direction. Even the best plans fail without feedback. But here's the part most people miss. Your feedback doesn't have to rely on motivation. You can automate it with very little effort. All you have to do is ask AI this prompt at the end of every single week. Analyze my completed tasks and routines. What was on track for accomplishing my goals? What drifted off course? And maybe where could I optimize further? Suggest one tactical fix and one mindset switch to apply for my next week. It'll give you instant clarity. Not judgment, just data. That type of reflection is going to compound very quickly. By springtime, your daily plan is going to be stronger than it was in January because you're feeding it real results and actual data, not just puffed up resolutions that you hope to achieve. This is exactly how you build a self-correcting life system. You don't chase progress. You engineer everything to make you achieve it. So let's recap. Don't wait for January. Start now by building an AI system that will help you achieve all of your 2026 goals. Step 1, audit your year. Step 2, design your future identity. Step 3, build your master prompt. Step 4, forecast your milestones. Step 5, automate your feedback loop. Because the truth is, the ones that are going to achieve their goals in 2026 aren't building everything out in January. They're taking the time to prepare now. And if you want to see exactly how to turn these long-term goals and milestones into actionable daily progress, go check out my last video. I'm sure it's going to help you have AI help your life run smoother. It'll show you how these systems work day to day so your progress never stops. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.